Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another easy vegan recipe, and it is my jackfruit pot roast. Because as you know, the weather is starting to cool down, and we can turn those ovens on. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. So to get started, I'm using 2 cans of jackfruit. Both are in water. If yours are in brine, you will have to rinse them at least 10 times to help get the brine off. I'm using 1 can of shredded jackfruit and 1 can of jackfruit chunks. I also went on ahead and cut up all my veggies. I'm using celery, some yellow onion, carrots, and some potatoes. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and sweat down some of our veggies. So I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil to my pot. I'm going to go ahead and add in the onions and the carrots, and then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper and let that continue to cook. And then I'm going to also add in my celery and then some garlic powder as well, and continue to sweat these down. Now, we're not trying to get these tender at all, because we are going to put this dish in the oven and they will continue to cook in the oven. So then after that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and add the veggies to my baking dish that I plan to bake the dish in. And then I'm going to go ahead and add those potatoes to that. The potatoes are uncooked. They will get fully cooked in the oven. And then back over in our pot, we are going to go ahead and add the jackfruit to the pot. If you need a little bit more oil, go ahead and add some more oil, and then go ahead and season that up with some garlic powder and some black pepper. And you can go ahead and add a little bit of salt as well. And go ahead and give that a stir. It will begin to stick, and that's totally fine. Next, I'm just adding in a little bit of all-purpose flour, because this is going to help to thicken up our pot roast gravy. So, and it's not like really a gravy, but you still want it a little bit thicker. And then we're going to deglaze our pot with some red wine. I'm using a Cabernet, but feel free to use whatever, red wine that you like. I'm sure you heard this saying before: if you don't like the wine in the glass, then you're not going to like it in the dish. So make sure it's one that you don't mind drinking or you don't mind the flavor of. So we're going to give that a stir for a little bit and let that deglaze. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and add some water. And I'm also going to be using the Not Beef by Edwards and Son vegan bouillon cube. And I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. And we're going to give that a nice stir so that that bouillon cube dissolves in the liquid. And I'm also going to go ahead and add in the bay leaves as well. I would also recommend adding some browning just to darken the gravy. So I decided to add some more Worcestershire sauce as well as the seasonings. I'm adding some garlic powder, onion powder, some black pepper, and some oregano, or you can use Italian seasoning, either one. Give it a nice stir. And I always do a quick taste test just to make sure that all the seasonings that I want to come through are coming through. And if not, add some more. As you know, the full recipe is in the description box. And we're going to go ahead and pour this over top of our veggies, add some fresh rosemary, and we're going to wrap this in some foil. Oh, wait. I also recommend adding a little bit of water to, make sure there's enough liquid to evenly cook those potatoes, because that's really what is not cooked in the dish. And then we're going to wrap it in some foil, pop it in the oven, and go ahead and let that bake till your potatoes are nice and tender. And once it's done, let's take a look at it. Yeah, so you want to remove the bay leaves and the rosemary out of the dish, but this is so amazing. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen. I just absolutely love it, and I actually ate mine over some white rice. All right, so let me tell you something. This blew my mind. Like, jackfruit is the perfect substitute for a pot roast. I have been having this idea on my list of ideas since I went vegan back in 2017. And yeah, I'm finally getting around to trying it out and doing it and perfecting it and all that stuff. And it's ready for you guys to try. So, I always put the recipe down in the description box down below. And let me know what you think of this recipe. And if you plan to check it out down in the comment section. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.